In this video, I'll show you how to zoom in on a specific area of the screen in CapCut PC. Start by importing your video clip into CapCut PC and drag it onto the timeline. Move the playhead to the point where you want the zoom effect to begin. Add a keyframe for both scale and position at this starting point. Move the playhead slightly forward on the timeline. Increase the scale value to zoom in. A keyframe will be automatically added for the new scale. Adjust the position X or Y values to move the zoomed-in view to a specific area, like a hand or object. This also automatically creates a position keyframe. Let's play this now. Let the zoomed-in section play for about a second or longer. At that point, add another keyframe to maintain the current scale and position. Move the playhead a bit further forward to begin the zoom out process. Reset scale to 100%, position X to 0, and position Y to 0. This will zoom back out to the full screen and recenter the frame. Play back the clip to see the effect. It zooms in, holds on the area, then zooms out smoothly. By following these steps, you can easily zoom in on a specific part of the video in CapCut PC.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.